Hi guys, welcome to advertising. This is just a quick video to show you how I have the Blackboard shell laid out for this class. When you go to your advertising link and click on it, for the first week you'll have this opening page here that says, here we are, welcome to advertising, but it lets you know if you'll click on the welcome screen how to get to where you are now. Obviously you've already done that because you're watching this video. So if you go to welcome, these are default videos put on by Blackboard, but in the Getting Started folder, there's this video that you're already watching. It'll be right here at the top. Right here you have the course syllabus and online etiquette statement. If you click on the syllabus, it'll take you through the learning objectives, the textbook that you do need to have, and then it has the class schedule for each week. It tells you which chapter we're doing in the book and tells you the assignments and when they're due. These will also be on the calendar in Blackboard as the assignments are plugged into Blackboard. But if you scroll through and read the syllabus, the class policies are there, the university policies are there. If you have any questions about any of that, let me know. Going back to Blackboard, under Getting Started, there's technology required and help links. So make sure, if you have any problems with the Blackboard, please let the help desk know, the ECU help desk in IT, and also let me know if you're having problems. There's just a little bit about me. After the welcome screen is gone, when you come to advertising, it's going to be like this. Most of you have probably had a Blackboard class before, so you're familiar with this. I put everything for our course under course content. As you can see here, I have the week 1 folder up and ready. Let me turn edit mode off. As I get the folders, the finishing touches on the folders, you will see this is my view now, the instructor view, not the student view. But as I get these folders finalized, you will see a folder for all 16 weeks of class. And when you go to the folder for that week, you will have what we're doing. So read chapter 1 of your textbook. A lot of weeks you'll have I'll do a little short video talking about hitting the highlights of the chapter. There's not one for this week because it's just really an introduction. It goes over the history of advertising. You will have a quiz each week. And our schedule runs, if you've had me in an online class before, or if you've had Talina, our online classes run Tuesday through Monday. So your quiz every week is due Monday night. And then the week starts over for us on Tuesday. It may be a little weird, but once you get into it, it's pretty easy to get used to. You always have something due on Wednesday, Friday, and Monday. So you get into that routine, and that you'll get used to that. You won't have a discussion board every week for this class. You'll have one every other week. And so I always put a link to the discussion board for that week. The weeks you don't have a discussion board, you have a different assignment. And so it will also show up here in that week folder. But if you go to the discussion board, you can see here I have this letting you know how I grade for the discussion board. And if you click on this PDF, it'll tell you what I'm looking for in your post. The first week is just really easy. Introduce yourself. Tell me your favorite ad or what stood out to you. So I wrote a little bit more about myself here and talked about my favorite ad. I also take you through a quick video of how to embed videos on Blackboard. So in the discussion board, if you're going to show a video from YouTube, please try to embed it. It's just so much better just to be able to click on it and see it versus having a link and go to it. I had an instructor that made me do that in graduate school, and at first I thought he was crazy and it was just annoying, but it really is nice just to have it all there. If you can't get it, it's not the end of the world, but this walks you right through it, and it's really easy, I promise you. So that's pretty much how our course is laid out. The Welcome tab is going to have your syllabus. That's the main thing to remember under Getting Started. So the course schedule and syllabus is there. And then outside of that, everything is going to be under this course content folder here by week. So I look forward to having you guys in this class. And if you have any questions, email through your student email. That's the best way to get me. And we will be talking later. Thanks.